Why do we get hiccups?
Think about having hiccups at the worst possible moment. Blame your ancient ancestors, fish. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm spasms, making your vocal cords snap shut. Scientists think it's a leftover reflex from when our ancestors had gills. Fish used a similar movement to push water over their gills, and for some reason we kept this useless glitch. Even babies in the womb hiccup, which might be a sign that this reflex is millions of years old. So next time you hiccup uncontrollably, just remember, it's not you, it's your inner fish saying hello.